So today is all about framing out this area, because this is where the bathtub's going to go. It's where the bath comes up 600, which is just below, just above that frame 57. That is that. So I don't know where do you want the taps? To the centre. 70 to the centre. So that's where the taps would be.
Yeah, it's just sort of central.
So the tap so you got a little shelf. You can go. They can go up. I don't want to go any higher than that because obviously we just, you know, it's a problem. It's not a problem, but about there will be fine, won't it?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm bloody freezing.
I can't get the level.
Look, my hands are shaking.
You little liar. Little baby dog. She's been here all the time. I was just about to screw this bit in here, and she came and just stood there. Yeah, the good old. See, look, you have this, don't you? You like this, don't you? You're such a cuddly dog. You're such a cuddly dog. Right, sorry, Bess, I've just got to get something. Right, so we've done the framing. We are putting on the, I don't know what they call this, but it's the bit that fixes the taps, the connections from the taps and the water pipes into there. It's the one you use for the shower. It's the same width, which is great actually, because you can use any one you choose of the taps for the bath or a shower or anything like that, because they're all the same size on here. So that's the really nice thing. So you buy one of these frameworks which comes with the actual outlets for the water. So we've just put that on and put that just a reasonable height over the bath. Bath's going to be around about this height here. So that just sits over there. And then the idea now is to cut the pipework. Unfortunately, I only had, when I went shopping for the bits, they only had 2 elbows, straight elbows. Somebody will know what I mean by that. Straight elbows. So I've got to effectively bend my pipe that does this. And the good thing about this plastic pipe, it is nice and flexible, so you have the ability to do it. Obviously, if I was a plumber, I'd do it all in lovely copper, but for us amateurs, it's really useful to do it because you can bend that pipe up into there, onto the fixing here, and then come out there. And then once that's all on, then I can run my boards in, my what do they call it?
Panelling?
Panelling, that'd be it. I forget all the words, sorry. Yeah, run my panelling in, and then that is effectively, it's all ready to offer up the bath and have a look there. So we're getting on.
Quick bit of shopping in Castorama.
Two
of wood. This is where I lose Ted all the time.
Don't need anything for the back.
I said I always lose you in the wood aisle. As if we haven't got enough wood.
So this is the stuff I'm going to use for the panelling. I've just roughly chopped it up. As you see, it's not particularly brilliant, but it's cheap. It isn't regular, what you'd call cladding, because it's just floorboards, 21mm thick. But we decided to go with this purely for structural reasons, because the bath is going to go up against it. So we want nice strong fixings in the bath, and obviously fixing the toilet and also fixing the basin. Be nice to have some decent structure. So that's why we went along with this. So we'll go in, chop it up, stick it on the wall. Should have cut it off before he finished. Schoolboy error.
What you done?
What I should have done is cut that tongue off before I put the last piece in. So it would have been easier to insert that piece in there. But I didn't do it. So we're going to have to improvise. So we've done all the panelling, up one little piece at the end to do, and we've made a sort of box section here, mitered. Needs a bit of filler down this edge because I'm trying to scribe in, as you see, scribe in as well as putting a mitre on it, and also putting it into a tongue and groove, so it's quite a lot of work. But I think what we'll do is we'll offer it up and see where we are. We've had a lot of mucking about with it, and obviously it has to go in right at the top there. I think we'll be fine. Looks okay. And that's the finished edge. And then we'll do the same on the other side. First job done. Come back tomorrow.